Welcome to Shay's living room. I have a Dometic CFX3 75DZ. That's for dual zone, folks. Dual zone. As you can see, Dometic takes pride in their packaging.
I don't know if you're more excited about this beast or your first unboxing video.
Yes. All right. Whoa. All right, go lay down. No. Poodle. Stickers. Come on. Come on. Whoa, whoa. You're too big for this.
It's rugged. All right, so I'm going to continue with the unboxing of the Dometic CFX3 75. This thing, first of all, is built like the proverbial tank. As you just saw, the dogs can get on top of this thing, no problem at all. You're asking yourself, what exactly is this thing? It's a refrigerator and a freezer. As a matter of fact, when you open it up, it's a refrigerator and a freezer. But here's the cool thing. Let's say you have too much stuff to put in here in the freezer side. Both sides could be a freezer, or both sides could be a refrigerator. You can control it with your app. It's got Bluetooth, it's got Wi-Fi, it's got 120, and it's got 12 volt. This is going to be our saving grace on our road trip across the United States this year, because this is where we're going to put all of our food when it's not in our rig. The rig works off of propane, so that's a problem to us because you don't run propane down the road. You run 12 volts in your truck. This will keep everything nice and ice cold. We'll be waking up every morning. We'll be drinking milk, making bacon and eggs, no problem. We pick up something along the way that needs to be refrigerated or frozen, we've got the room for it. 75 liters of storage space. The racks are adjustable. They come out in a couple of different directions. As you can see, you've got deep storage down in here. And for the kids, it comes with candy, so they can eat that. It's fun for them. The doors come off completely, or they slam latch down. Again, this thing is a tank. It weighs about, I'm going to say, let's see, probably about 30 pounds. And the best of all, it's dual interface. The fact that you can plug it into the wall or plug it into a 12-volt cigarette lighter outlet makes this thing the ultimate for RV lifestyle.